We accept the meeting, but on our ground at Pratapgarh. Senapati, position troops in the forest. Mantri, double the intelligence watch. Nyadhish, ensure that our cause remains just. Pandit Rao, pray not for victory but for righteousness. Suman, let the Deccan hear that Swarajya does not fear dialogue. Amatya, prepare supplies quietly. Sachiv, draft the response carefully. For Swarajya.
Thus the meeting was agreed. Afzal Khan came with pride. Shivaji Maharaj went with preparation. One believed in the size of an army, the other believed in the strength of strategy. History would soon witness that intelligence can defeat arrogance.
जब राजा और प्रजा मिलकर चले तब कोई भी शक्ति स्वराज्य को रोक नहीं सकती। यह था शिवाजी महाराज का शासन, जहां व्यवस्था थी, जहां न्याय था और जहां जनता सर्वोपरि थी।
अष्टप्रधान एक झाले रयतेच्या या दुःखात, संकटाशी लढले सगळे स्वराज्याच्या या झोकात।
धन्य तो राजा आणि धन्य हे मंत्रिमंडळ थोर,